guys, got some pine here, right? And catkins, or the buds, are pollinating. Check this out. Those are not ready yet. But when they're at this stage, you can eat them. They're nice and juicy. A lot of vitamin C. But wait till you see this one over here. I'm absolutely amazed by how much pollen comes off this guy. Yeah. Try to find one I didn't do. Did I do this one?
I'm gonna hit that one or this one?
I think it was this
one.
one.
Right there.
Yeah, good call. See this, guys? Watch this. Wait. Look at that amount of pollen. Okay? Look at my fingers there. Look how much there is. Okay. That pollen is filled with protein and B vitamins and all sorts of other goodness. So you mix this with a little bit of water and you've got dough. Mix this with a flour and you've got an additive. You know, like a whole wheat flour, anything like that. Really good stuff. And you see how difficult it is to collect, right? It's easy. Ton of it. Extremely nutritious. Really good stuff right here. Keeps you from starving. In fact, you'll gain weight if you're eating this stuff every few days. Signing out.